Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Harper and today we're going to be showing you all the new fidgets I got. Clara got this cool pop-it thing, guys. It is a fidget silicone thingy. So let me show them fidgets. This nice pop-it. Guys, it's her second pop-it. And it's a purple one. This is the good side.
Can you help me?
Yeah. And this is the bad side. The bad side's pretty good, guys. So that's what I got, guys.
Ow.
And then I got this cool Stretch Armstrong wrestler. But I just want it to be a Stretch Armstrong. And it's only for $4.99, so let's open it. Let's see if I can get this open. Welcome. Okay, guys, really hard to open. I don't know if I can open this, guys.
I know it's usually how I open.
Okay, guys, I'm opening it.
It's just in a box.
Yeah, because hers was in the box. It's way more easy. Guys, I about got it open. Okay, first off, I got it. I just like it to be like a cute little squishy, but not with the man on it. So, I'll show you guys. Here he is. I'll just wipe off my cami. Really dirty. Here it is. A squishy guy made of sand. Really fun to stretch, guys. Watch him stretch. Ready, guys? Ready? It's really hard to film. I might have to put you guys right there. Ah! Stretch. Stretch. Now some long legs to run. Plus some arms.
I got longer arms than you guys. His arms aren't as long as me though.
Guys, that's it for the video. So bye. Subscribe and like this video. Bye.